In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert long division symbol in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to type a proper long division sign in your document and couldn't find it on the keyboard, you're not alone. Google Docs makes it simple once you know where to look, and in just a moment you'll have the exact symbol you need, ready to size and format like any other text. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. This saves you a click later and ensures the symbol drops in the right spot. Now, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then select Special Characters. This opens the Character Picker, a powerful tool for finding symbols, punctuation, math notation, and more. You'll see a search box at the top, along with a grid of characters that updates as you search. In the search box, type the words long division. As you type, the results filter automatically. You're looking for the symbol that looks like a diagonal slash with a small corner or bracket, often recognized as the long division sign. It will appear as in the results. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you typed the words correctly and give the results a moment to load. Once you see the symbol, click it. The symbol is instantly inserted at your cursor location in the document. You can insert multiple copies by clicking again, or move your cursor elsewhere and repeat the click if you need it in several places. When you're done, simply close the Special Characters panel or click back into your document. After the symbol is in your document, you can format it just like regular text. Highlight it and adjust the font size to match your numbers, change the color if needed, or increase the line spacing for a cleaner layout. If the symbol looks slightly different depending on your font, that's normal. Google Docs will use a font that supports this character, and it should display consistently for most viewers. If anything looks off, try switching to a standard font like Arial or Times New Roman. A quick tip: if you plan to use this symbol often, you can copy it and paste it wherever you need it, or revisit Insert and Special Characters. It will usually show up under your recently used characters, making it faster to find next time. You can also draw the symbol in the panel's drawing box if you forget the name. That's it. Open Special Characters, search long division, and click the symbol. You're ready to add clean, professional long division notation to any Google Doc.